In today's video, we're going to explain how to review your pay stubs and your employees' pay stubs. And you can only review your employees' pay stubs if you're an admin. So if you're not an admin, you will only see the personal module. If you're an admin, you will see multiple different modules. It varies a little bit depending on your company settings, but the module we're going to be working on today is pay stubs. Again, if you need help logging in, resetting your password, go through our YouTube channel and you can find many resources there on how to log in. Okay, assuming you're able to log in, go to pay stubs. And this is a test company, but here you're going to see all your employees' pay stubs. We only have one here, but you would see John, Sarah, Mike, you would see all of them here. And then you can click on view pay stubs and you can see all the different details of the pay stub, like how much they were paid, overtime, other income, taxes, employer taxes. This is all dummy data, but this is how you would review the pay stubs. You can also download via PDF. If you click here, it's going to download a PDF of the same information. And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to see your personal pay stubs, you would click on personal pay stubs, but that would only be for you as an admin. If you want to see your employee pay stubs, you would see them here under this module. Click here on employee pay stubs, and you're going to see them all here. Okay. If you ever have any questions or need help, contact support at GoPayroll.ai and they'll gladly help. If you found this video helpful, just please like and subscribe. It really helps our YouTube channel grow. And all right, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.